Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why is my refrigerator running but not cooling? The most common reason why a refrigerator is not cooling is a problem with the evaporator coils. Over time, evaporator coils can become covered with ice, which prevents the coils from working properly. If the coils are covered in ice, the ice will need to be defrosted to fix the problem. Mu. 24, 1443a. Why has my fridge gone warm? Refrigerator is too full if there are too many items in your fresh food compartment. That cold air may not circulate properly, resulting in a refrigerator that's warm. It's fairly common for a refrigerator to feel warm if it's overstuffed, and this problem is obviously easy to resolve. Will unplugging a fridge reset it? Unplug your refrigerator. Disconnect your fridge from its power source by removing the power cord from the wall outlet. You may hear some whooshing or knocking noises after you do so. That's normal. Make sure your fridge stays unplugged for several minutes, otherwise the reset won't work. Dual Q. 5, 1442a. How much does it cost to fix a refrigerator that is not cooling? Ultimately, people can end up paying anywhere between $40 to $1,000. Keep in mind that the pricier repairs are not commonly done since most people will decide they are not worth it. The average low cost for a refrigerator repair is about $200, while the average high cost is around $1,000. SAF. 13, 1442a. Why is my fridge not cold but freezer is? When the fridge is not cold but the freezer is, the problem is probably tied to one of your refrigerator's mechanisms not working as designed. A small fan and motor are mounted near the evaporator, helping draw air over the coils and circulate it to the fridge and freezer. Dual H. 27, 1441a.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.